This is what we're going to be using during my online workshop. By going through that worksheet, you're going to get to a point where you have this as a sales tool, which allows you to, on video, just like this, talk someone through your signature system, which takes them from their problem, point A, through to their desired transformation, which is point B. The thing is, it's really difficult to run a service business and run it well. You can be extremely talented at what you do, but if you can't clearly explain your process in a way that makes people think, I need that, you're going to keep struggling to attract premium clients. Most service providers are stuck in what I call the explanation track. So they ramble through their services, they throw around industry jargon and hope that something sticks. Meanwhile, their idle clients walk away confused about what they actually get and why it's worth paying for. I want to teach you a simple visual tool that instantly makes people understand your value and gets them excited to work with you. That's exactly what we're going to be covering in my live online workshop. In just 60 minutes, you're going to create a signature system roadmap. You'll be able to use your completed roadmap to immediately close more sales conversations without feeling pushy. You'll be able to create months of content that positions you as the expert. You'll be able to charge premium prices because people finally understand your unique process, and you'll stop competing on price and start attracting clients who value transformation. You can think of this roadmap as your business GPS. It shows people exactly where they're going and why you are the right person to get them there. Let me show you exactly how this works. So on the left side, we have point A, and this represents where your client is right now. They're stuck, they're frustrated, maybe they've tried other solutions that didn't work, and this is their current reality and the pain that they're experiencing. Now on the other side, we have point B. This is their transformation. This is the specific result, the outcome that would change everything for them. And here in the middle, this is where the magic happens. This is your signature system. These are the specific phases and steps you take every client through to bridge that gap. Now, here's why this works so well. Instead of talking about features or services, you're showing a clear journey. People don't buy services, they buy transformations and results. So let me show you how this looks in action with my own system, the ASN Growth Roadmap. Point A is a founder-driven business with inconsistent growth, and point B is a predictable, scalable business that has a revenue engine at the heart of it. We go through strategy, which is defining the business goals, ideal client and positioning to create a clear growth path. Then we move into assets, which is building essential marketing and sales assets that drive real value and conversions. Then we move into building systems, which is designing simple connected systems to attract, sell, and nurture consistently. This is where we'll be building out a funnel. And then we move into mapping out every stage of the client experience to improve conversions and retention. Then we install metrics and dashboards to track performance and make data-driven decisions. Then we execute strategic campaigns and focused tactics that drive immediate revenue. Then we look at defining clear marketing and sales roles to remove the founder dependency. And then we move into training and mentoring the team so that they can confidently manage the revenue engine. And then from there, I provide ongoing leadership and accountability support to help sustain predictable growth. You can see how I've taken you through that in not even 5 minutes from point A to point B. Do you see how this immediately communicates value? When I show this to my potential clients, they instantly understand what they get and can visualize their own transformation. That's the power of having a clear signature system. You're going to create your own version that's specific to your expertise and your client's journey. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, this sounds great, but my business is different or my process is too complex to simplify. But here's what I want to tell you. I've helped everyone from business coaches to web designers to financial advisors create their signature systems. The framework works regardless of your industry because every successful business follows the same principle. You take people from point A to point B through a specific process. During the workshop, I'll show you exactly how to identify your your unique steps, how to name your system so it's memorable and marketable, and how to present it in a way that makes people excited to start the transformation journey with you. Now, this isn't about oversimplifying what you do. It's about making your expertise accessible and irresistible. And because this is a live workshop, you'll be able to ask questions, get feedback on what you've done within the workshop, and you will leave with something you can start to use immediately. There is absolutely no way I could offer this kind of personalized support in a recorded course. This is why I'm doing it live. Here's what happens next. If you're tired of explaining what you do and having people's eyes glaze over, if you want to charge premium prices without feeling like you're constantly justifying your value, if you're ready to have a marketing tool that works whether you're networking, speaking, or creating content, then sign up for my workshop, Productize and Scale, the 3-stage process for turning your service into a repeatable market-leading offer. This is happening live on Thursday, the 7th of August at 2 p.m. UK time. I'm limiting it to 30 participants so everyone gets personal attention. I don't want you to spend another month struggling to articulate your values. So join me, create your signature system, and start turning every conversation into a potential client relationship. Click the link now. Your future premium clients are waiting to understand exactly how you can transform their lives and or their business. I'll see you in the workshop.